Hi, let's unboxing. The description is soldering iron. Let's open it up. And see what we have inside. This is AC DC switching power adapter, 60 watts, 12 volts, input 240 volts, 60 hertz. The output 12 volts, 5 amperes, positive center jack. Awesome. And this is TS100 BC2 soldering iron station. I like it so much that I decided to buy another one. It is very compact to use, heats very fast. Please see this video in which I use it to soldering the pins of Easy Driver. And this is wall adapter, and that's it. This is your host, J3. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. Subscribe. Take care. Bye.